Lemurs occupy many different habitats on Madagascar, including rainforests, dry deciduous forests, spiny forests, wetlands, and mountains. Ring-tailed lemurs live in groups known as troops or a conspiracy. These groups may include 6 to 30 animals, but average is about 15. Both sexes live in troops, but a dominant female presides over all. Ring-tailed lemurs are threatened largely because the sparse dry forests they love are quickly vanishing. Monkeys live in the tropical rainforests of Asia, Africa, and Central and South America, or the savannas of Africa. Monkeys are social creatures that usually live together. A group of monkeys is called a troop or barrel. Monkeys have a variety of social systems. One of the most common troop structures is called a one-male group, in which a male leads a group of females and other males, usually staying close to a particular location. A group of giraffe are called a tower, which is a great example of collective nouns at their descriptive best. Giraffes range in the wild throughout Africa, but are most often found in combined savannas and woodlands. They are social creatures who mostly live in one of two types of herds, adult females and their offspring, and bachelor herds. There are also isolates, male bulls who live alone. A group of zebras can be called a dazzle, herd, or a zeal. Zebras are social animals that spend time in herds. They graze together, primarily on grass, and even groom one another. Most zebra species live in arid and semi-arid plains and savannas of Africa. Plains and grevy's zebras have different regions but overlap during migrations. Mountain zebras, however, live in the rugged mountains of South Africa and Namibia. A group of elephants is called a herd or parade. A herd is led by the oldest female elephant. Females usually remain in the same herd, whereas males leave the herd when they mature. Elephants are scattered throughout sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia, and Southeast Asia, and are found in different habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. Cape buffaloes are extremely social and live in large, mixed herds of up to 2,000 members. Both sexes have a separate hierarchy, with males dominant over females. One of the most successful of Africa's wild ruminants, the Cape buffalo thrives in virtually all types of grassland habitat in sub-Saharan Africa, from dry savanna to swamp, and from lowland floodplains to montane mixed forest and glades, as long as it is within commuting distance of water. Lions inhabit a wide range of habitats, from open plains to thick brush and dry thorn forest. Lions are also the only cats that live in large, social groups called prides. A pride can have 3 to 30 lions and is made up of lionesses and their cubs, along with a few unrelated adult males. The pride has a close bond and is not likely to accept a stranger. Wolves live in family groups called packs. A pack is usually made up of a male parent, a female parent, and their pups from the last few years. In the wild, wolves are seen to thrive in forested areas and grasslands, but also exist in steppes, tundra, boreal forests, and deserts. Their extreme adaptability is surprising to many because many wild dogs usually favor one type of habitat. Cheetahs are found primarily in the eastern and southern ranges of Africa south of the Sahara Desert. Small populations of cheetahs can be found in North Africa and Iran. Adult cheetahs may be found alone or in all-male groups called coalitions. A coalition of male cheetahs, most likely 2 to 3 litter mates that have stayed together, defend a territory against other males, rarely but sometimes to the death. Coalition membership may last for the entire life of the male. Tigers are found in amazingly diverse habitats, rainforests, grasslands, savannas, and even mangrove swamps. A group of tigers is known as a streak or an ambush of tigers. Tigers are naturally solitary animals, spending most of their day alone and roaming their hunting grounds.